You may already be familiar with Dewey the document camera stand, but today I want to show you some of the new features that our design team has come up with to make this product even cooler. Dewey will turn your device into a document camera. Simply place your device between the clamps, attach your device to a projector, and place your manipulative or document underneath the device. You can connect your device to a projector through a wired adapter or wirelessly through Apple TV, Chromecast, or other screen sharing applications. Dewey can also adjust in height in order to accommodate larger materials. Dewey can also be used as a device holder or a stand for media center. There's a handy headphone holder here for your headphones, and it can swivel and tilt. Dewey could already hold iPads or iPad minis with or without cases, but now we've added an addition where you can even use your smartphone by flipping up this little paddle here. Dewey has always been great for flipped learning and having students share their work, but now we're taking it to another level with the addition of a microscope. Dewey is more cost-effective than a traditional document camera, and with the addition of the microscope, there's even more value in this classroom tool. Position the tray under the camera lens, turn on your device, open the camera app, and attach the LED light here. I will warn you, the specimen I've been forced to use by the people behind the camera is pretty gross. So if you're squeamish like me, feel free to look away. Not that you would want to with this specimen, but you have the option of 5x and 10x zoom in addition to the zoom feature of your phone, so you can get real close to whatever you have on the tray. Dewey is a great tool for students and teachers to share ideas in just about any location. And now with the addition of a microscope, you can get really close up to all sorts of neat and disgusting things. Enjoy exploring.